In Joseph Andrews, Lady Booby, Sir Thomas' widow, whose grieving process involves playing cards and prepositioning servants, she is powerfully attracted to Joseph, her footman. ये इसके characterization है, but finds this attraction degrading and is humiliated by his rejections. She exemplifies the traditional flaw of the upper class, namely snobbery, snobbish to show what is not in reality. Egotism, there is pride, and lack of restraint, there is no patience, and she is prone to drastic mood swings, and she has no parallel balanced state of mood. Her characteristics are clear and show her class. Mrs. Slipslop, very important character, very famous character, a hideous and sexually voracious upper servant in the Booby household, like her mistress. Like her mistress, this is her characteristics that she lusts after Joseph. She also, Mrs. Slipslop also has the same characteristics as her boss. Peter Pounds, Lady Booby's miserly steward, who lends money उधार लेता है to other servants, देता भी है at steep interest, and gives himself airs as a member of the upwardly striving new capitalistic class. Because he is ruling with money, he is from economical aspect a capitalistic class. He has his head up. Lady Booby, she has her head up as she is very much economically well settled lady and she is giving loans to others. Mr. Booby, now after the women, Mr. Booby. The nephew or Sir Thomas, he is the nephew of Sir Thomas. Fielding has adopted this character from Mr. Booby of Samuel Richardson's Pamela. Pamela के नॉवल से उन्होंने ये बोरो किया है कैरेक्टर, जिस तरह के लाइक रिचर्डसन्स कैरेक्टर. Mr. Booby is a rather snobbish squire. He is also snobbish. Only artificiality, only apparently pursuits. There is no in reality and hidden characteristics in the personality, but only snobbish. सिर्फ दिखावा है, मसनूईपन है, जाली है सारा कुछ, उसके अंदर कुछ नहीं है. Squire who marries his servant's girl Pamela Andrews. Now we proceed on Pamela Andrews. In the characteristics of Pamela Andrews, we come to know that Joseph's various virtuous and beautiful sister. Pamela is virtuous, good character, solid character girl from whom he derives inspiration for his resistance to Lady Booby's sexual advances. Pamela too is a servant in the household of a predatory Booby, though she eventually marries her lascivious master. Fielding has adopted this character from the heroine of Samuel Richardson's Pamela. Mr. Andrews, the father of Pamela, and ostensibly Joseph. Mrs. Andrews, the mother of Pamela, that is also important, father and mother of Pamela. The ruffians, there are also the characteristics, two ruffians, highwaymen who beat, rob, and strip Joseph on the first night of his journey. Postilion lends Joseph his greatcoat when Joseph is naked following the attack by the ruffians. Mr. Two Wows, the master of the inn where Joseph boards after being attacked by the ruffians, जब उस पर अटैक हो जाता है तो वहाँ वो स्टे करता है. He intends to lend Joseph one of his own shirts, but his sting wife prevents him. जैसा कि अक्सर ख़वातीन करती हैं कि भाई तुमने अपने कपड़े नहीं देने, अपने पैसे नहीं देने, अपनी चीज़ें नहीं देनी. Same is here. Later, he is discovered in bed with Betty, the chambermaid. This is also the bad characteristic of his character. Mrs. Two Wows. the frugal, nagging wife of Mr. Two Vows. भूल जाती है, अपनी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स शो नहीं करती, अच्छी बीवी साबित नहीं होती। बेटी की तरफ हम बढ़ते हैं अब। द कैरेक्टर ऑफ बेटी, a chambermaid in the inn of Mr. and Mrs. Two Vows. Her initial care of Joseph bespeaks her basic good nature, but she is also lustful. This is her characterization. She is also lustful, and her association with him ends badly. जाहिर बात है, गलत काम का गलत ही उसका एंड रिजल्ट होगा। Mr. Barnabas, a clergyman who relates with church, who never passes up a drink, कभी भी उसने drink नहीं लिया, wine नहीं ली, and half-heartedly attends Joseph during his recovery from the attack by the ruffians. Surgeon Dr. belatedly addresses the injuries Joseph sustained during his attack by the ruffians. बुक सेलर भी है इनके कैरेक्टराइजेशन में डॉक्टर के अलावा। A friend of Mr. Barnabas declines to represent Mr. Adams, author of several volumes of sermons, in the London book trade. Further character is Tom Suckbribe. This is very important character for the constable who fails to guard an imprisoned ruffian and may have some financial incentive for failing in this office. Leonora, the reclusive inhabitant of a grand house along the stagecoach route, a shallow woman who once jilted the hard-working Horatio for the furious Bellarmine and then was jilted in turn. Horatio, an industrious lawyer who intended to marry Leonora but lost her to the wealthy and flamboyant Bellarmine. Now, the main character whose marriage is done with a French field cavalier who values Leonora's beauty enough to steal her away from Horatio. छीन लेना चाहता है वो उसको होरेशियो से, क्योंकि उसकी ब्यूटी से इंस्पायर है। ये ओनली ब्यूटी फिजिकल ब्यूटी है, बट हु finally rejects her when her father refuses to supply a dowry. डोरी जहेज देने से जब फादर इनकार कर देता है तो वो छोड़ देता है। किस किस्म की मोहब्बत हुई? Leonora's father is a miserly old gentleman who refuses to bestow any money on his daughter during his life and thereby causes her to lose Bellarmine as a suitor. Leonora's aunt भी है हमारे पास। During the period of her courtship by Horatio and then Bellarmine, encourages Leonora to pursue her financial self-interest in choosing a maid. Students, this is the characteristics and characters of Joseph Andrews. Best of luck. Have a nice time. Have a nice day.